Good morning. I'm Dan McKenna from the Donnelly Automotive Group, and 6.5 feet away from me we have Tom Donnelly, my colleague. We're privileged today to be able to celebrate a Donnelly Automotive Group tradition. I'll have Tom explain what's happening here at the Donnelly Automotive Group today.
For more than 50 years, we've had a family tradition that every family that works in the organization goes home with a Christmas turkey, and we have extras that we send down to the Ottawa mission. We've done this as just part of the Christmas spirit, and this year in particular with COVID, everybody had their own challenges. We want everybody to have a really, really good, safe holiday, enjoy their dinner, and enjoy their family and friends.
Thanks, Tom. Unfortunately, this year we've had to cancel our annual children's Christmas party as well as our New Year's party that we have in the new year. But we've had a busy elf named Wendy arranging a special gift for each of our families that have children. Every family was sent a cookie treat, a personalized gift card that was appropriate to their age, and we also made a donation to the Toy Mountain. But what really surprised the children of our employees is a picture of their mom and dad working at the dealership. We've got some real good surprises for our New Year's party coming up in the new year, so stay tuned. And lastly, I'd like to make a shout out to all the customers of the Donnelly Automotive Group. We're very thankful that you're able to embrace all the COVID limitations that we had to be able to operate our business to keep not only safe for yourself as our customers, but for our employees. Without you, we wouldn't be able to deliver turkeys today. And again, from the bottom of our heart, Tom and I thank you very much for the business for 2020 and look forward to the vaccine that we're all going to get hopefully very soon and a very healthy and happy 2021. So thank you.